Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of the expression which is 6 minus 5 then times the parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis we have 6 minus 5 again. So are you ready to solve? So let's go ahead and get started with 6 minus 5, that is 1, and 6 minus 5 is again 1, and 1 times 1 is 1, which is not correct because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, PEMDAS, PMD does P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So first you have to do the parenthesis, then exponents, then multiplication and division, then finally addition and subtraction. So as we know, multiplication and division have equal parity, so we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here in the expression, we have subtraction, we have multiplication, parenthesis. So according to this rule, first we have to handle the parenthesis. So 6 minus 5 times 6 minus 5. Here 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now we have subtraction and multiplication. So we have to give priority to multiplication. So 6 minus 5 times 1 is 5. And 6 minus 5 is 1. So this is the correct way to solve this type of problem. If you apply, you can say get the answer same in both the cases. But it is not applicable in every cases that the answer gets same. So you have to follow a order of operation. Then you get reach at right answer forever. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.